Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be doing this daytime look on Audrey using all Deck of Scarlet products. I'm going to be taking the Mistake Proof bronzer in the color Untamed. I'm going to place some on my palette and I'm going to use this as an eyeshadow primer. This bronzer is super easy to blend and also is very lightweight. I am also going to apply this bronzer on the lower lash line for a good base. Next, I am going to take the METALLEAF shadow pot and the color Mic Drop. These shadows are amazing, they're super pigmented and super easy to use. I am going to actually apply this with my finger. You can really see how beautiful the payoff of these shadows are, and I love that there is absolutely no fallout. With the same shade, I am going to go straight into the lower lash line. Next, I'm taking one of my favorite products from Deck of Scarlet, the Dual Drama Liquid Liner in the color Interstellar. I am going to take the green side of the Dual Drama liner and applying it straight to the top lash line, followed by a really thin line using the dark side of the Dual Drama liner. Next, I'm going to be using the Mistake Proof bronzer in the color Illicit. This shade is a little bit lighter, not too dramatic, and I'm just going to apply it on her forehead, on her cheekbones, and on the jawline for extra definition and a beautiful glow. Next, we have one of my favorite products, the Mistake Proof blush in the color Brazen. It's a beautiful deep peach tone. I'm spraying a little in the back of my hand and applying directly to the apples of her cheeks. On to my favorite new highlight, the Mirror GLAZE highlighting trio in the color Gold Standard. I'm going to dip into the gel formula and apply it directly to Audrey's highest points of her cheekbones. I love this super light texture, instantly creates a smooth second skin effect over pores and imperfections. I love how easy it blends and melts into the skin. Taking my Glow Big or Glow Home highlighting brush, I am mixing both powder highlighters to set the gel highlight. I love using it all over the face, on the nose, on the cupid's bow, and sometimes even all over the body. Using the lighter shade of the powder highlight, I'm going to apply a little bit to the inner corner of the eyes and a little on the brow bone for that extra pop. To finish this look, I'm going to be using THREEWAY Solid Lip Oil in the color Nude Ambition. This is definitely one of my favorite Deck of Scarlet products. It's like a 3-in-1. It has the hydration of an oil, the payoff of a lipstick, and the shine of a gloss into one nutrient-rich formula. You can use a brush or apply it directly from the lipstick, whatever works best for you. And we are finished. I hope you guys liked this daytime glam using all Deck of Scarlet products. I love that they are 100% clean, 100% vegan. Make sure you check out all their amazing products at deckofscarlet.com. Thank you guys, see you next time.